Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Auris. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. In the beginning, place your car stationary on flat surface. Let it rest for 15 minutes about, for oil to fall down. Next, remove the dipstick. Clean it, place it back, remove it and check oil level. The oil should reach the halfway between two dots. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.